Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ron, and today I wanted to share with you an experience from day one of the BILD Expo 2025 in New York City. So today, my wife Melissa and I were at the expo. Just wanted to tell you a bit about it. It was an incredible event for creators, photographers, filmmakers, any tech lover. So if you're into any of this at all, it's definitely a must-see. So we took the New Jersey Transit System into Penn Station. From there, it's only about a 15-minute walk over to the Javits Center, where the expo's held. Super easy, super accessible. But before you even get that far, just 2 blocks from Penn Station, you're going to run into the B&H SuperStore. They were actually running this expo or sponsoring this expo, I'm not sure which. And wow, let me tell you, I've never been there before, but this store is massive and it's seriously impressive. It's got just about every camera, lens, mic, light, creative tool that you can imagine. If you're ever in New York City, especially near 9th Avenue, I can highly recommend checking this store out. One of the best I've ever seen. Now, they even had a free courtesy bus or multiple buses running between the B&H store and the expo itself, from and to, like I said, the venue. So if you want to pop into the B&H store before or after the show, the ride was quick and really super convenient. All right, so now you know how to get there and what to expect along the way. Let's dive a little bit into the BILD Expo 2025 and what it's all about, and why you definitely want to check it out if you're anywhere in the area. And even if you're not, it's worth a visit. So what is the BILD Expo? The BILD itself is it's a 2-day creative conference. It started today, the 17th, and it goes on to tomorrow, the 18th. And the expo is really for anyone into any kind of storytelling, visual storytelling, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. There's something there for just about everybody. So from what I can tell, there were at least 5 themed stages covering, again, photography, filmmaking, content creation, editing, and studio work. You also find over 100 speakers and instructors, including a lot of the legends that you're probably going to recognize from your YouTube, visiting some of these bigger YouTube channels. Saw a few myself. More than 250 exhibits showcasing all the latest gear and tech, hands-on demos, photo walks, portfolio reviews, a ton of networking opportunities. You get to try out all the latest gear. If you're a gearhead like I am, this is a paradise. It's all there to touch and put your hands on and play around with it. You also get your hands on all the latest camera gear, lenses, lighting rigs, pro audio tools, top brands, like I said, Canon, Nikon, Sony, DJI, Blackmagic, Red, GoPro, they're all there. I got to speak with a ton of their reps while I was there earlier today as well. Though I didn't get any insider leaks or insider information that I can share with you here in this video, it was still a great time. Hands-on creative zones are there. What makes the BILD really shine is their interactive experience. You're not just watching presentations. I didn't even really pay a whole lot of attention to those myself. You're really part of the action. There was also a couple of really cool macro lab setups for micro lenses, studio portrait setup, all designed for you to get creative and build your portfolio. Live shoots and demos led by, again, top educators and creators. You can join a photo walk through New York led by a lot of the professional photographers, whether you're into street, portrait, cityscape photography. It's a great way to build your skill and, again, network. So who's this for? Honestly, everybody. So if you're a content creator looking to grow, a filmmaker leveling up your workflow, a beginner wanting gear guidance, or a full-time creative pro looking for new tools and contacts, the BILD Expo has something, again, for everybody. It's one of the few events that blends education, inspiration, and gear all under, again, one massive roof. And it's 100% free to attend. Now, again, one quick observation that I saw while I was there was a ton of micro lenses being demoed while I was walking around the expo. It was pretty incredible to look at what these lenses could produce creatively. And I'll put some of those up on the screen here. The lenses, sometimes they were on mechanical arms, sometimes they were being handheld through these miniature cities or miniature buildings, whatever. Some of them were built from Legos. It was actually pretty amazing. I couldn't believe what I was seeing exported to the screens in front of me. They were pretty impressive. So again, if you're serious about creating or even just curious, the BILD Expo 2025, it's one of the best creative events in the country right now. It's an experience, a learning hub, and really, again, a gear lover's dream, all packed into a 2-day event in New York City. Again, it started today. Today's the 17th. It goes on again tomorrow, the 18th. I think there's going to be a ton more creators probably there tomorrow than there was today. And if you happen to go to the expo, do me a favor, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of it if you went, anything interesting that you saw while you were there. Love to hear from you. And don't worry if you missed out. This year, I think they run this every year. Just stop by the B&H store on 9th Avenue if you get the chance, because again, that store is simply amazing. I couldn't believe what I saw going on at that store. It was just, it was a finely tuned machine. You'll even see some conveyor belts up overhead where all the packaging was just, I guess they were shipments going out or something. I just found the store to be very, very impressive. And if you've been to that store, you know what I'm talking about. So that's it for this video. Again, the BILD Expo in New York City, the Javits Center 2025. I was there today. And again, if you guys get a chance to go there, let me know in the comments. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.
Take two. We're at the BILD Expo over at the Javits Center. Yeah. We just came out of Penn Station. Sorry, it's a little noisy.
Looks like there's a pretty long line here. Just going to let you know real quick, if you take the train into Penn Station, you can literally walk a block to the B&H store, and there's a shuttle bus that will drop you right over here. You can walk it as well. Come out of Penn Station, take you about 15 minutes to walk over.
But I'm just going to show you around. Today's video is just showing you around the expo a little bit. And
let's go.
My wife's very impatient.